Imagine having naturally long, thick lashes that instantly grab attention, the kind that make people stop and ask, "Which mascara are you wearing?" And with a little smile, you reply, "I'm not wearing any." Just picture that moment. No extensions, no falsies, no makeup tricks. Your lashes alone making your eyes glow and giving your face that soft, effortless beauty. Sounds like a dream, right? The truth is, it doesn't have to stay a dream. You can actually train your lashes to grow naturally thicker, longer, and healthier with just a few consistent habits and the right care. Your lashes, just like your hair, need nourishment, protection, and gentle attention. Once you start treating them right, you'll notice a visible difference: stronger roots, less breakage, and that beautiful natural curl and fullness we all crave. In this video, I'm going to share some of the most effective eyelash growth tips that truly work, simple, natural methods that you can start using today. Whether your lashes are thin, short, or damaged, these tips will help you revive them and bring back their natural beauty. So stay with me till the end, because by the time you finish watching, you'll know exactly how to turn that mascara look into your everyday reality, completely naturally. Apply. When it comes to growing your lashes, applying the right ingredients is where the magic begins. Think of your lashes like a delicate garden. They need nourishment, care, and a little bit of daily love to bloom beautifully. The key is consistency. A small amount of the right oil or serum applied regularly can completely change how your lashes look and feel. Castor oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and aloe vera gel are some of the most trusted ingredients for natural lash growth. They help strengthen each lash from the root, prevent breakage, and promote new growth over time. Before applying anything, make sure your lashes are clean and free from makeup or dirt. A clean base helps the product absorb better and work faster. You can use a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab to apply a thin layer of oil or serum along your lash line, just like eyeliner. A little goes a long way. Don't overload your lashes, because too much product can make them sticky or heavy. Apply it gently, especially before bedtime, and let it sit overnight so it can deeply nourish your lashes while you sleep. Massaging the lash line lightly with your fingertip can also boost blood flow, which helps your lash follicles stay healthy and active. This simple step supports natural growth from within. If you do this regularly, your lashes will slowly start to feel softer, thicker, and healthier. And the best part is, you'll start to notice fewer lashes falling out when you remove makeup or wash your face. Applying lash-nourishing oils is not just about beauty, it's about self-care. Taking a few minutes each day to focus on this small detail can make a big difference. Your lashes deserve attention just like your hair or skin, and when you see that natural shine and volume returning, you'll realize how powerful consistency can be. So keep your oils ready, stay gentle, and let nature do its work, one night at a time. The truth about applying Vaseline on lashes. Many people use Vaseline on their eyelashes, hoping it will make them thicker and shinier. Vaseline can help keep lashes moisturized and prevent them from becoming dry or brittle. Applying a thin layer at night can give lashes a healthy and glossy appearance. It is important to use a clean cotton swab or a clean mascara wand to apply it carefully. Vaseline should never get into the eyes, as it can cause irritation or blurred vision. Overusing it can trap dirt or bacteria, which may lead to eye infections or tiny bumps around the eyes. Vaseline does not actually make lashes grow faster. It mainly protects lashes and helps prevent breakage. Using it regularly can improve the overall look of lashes, making them appear fuller. Rubbing eyes after application can cause lashes to fall out, so it should be avoided. Vaseline is easy to use and very affordable. Many people find it works well as a simple nightly routine. It can make lashes look healthier and shinier temporarily. Clean application and moderation are key for safety. With proper care, Vaseline can be a helpful addition to eyelash care. DIY. If you want naturally long, thick lashes, the best way to achieve them is with gentle, nourishing ingredients you can find at home. Your lashes are delicate, so they deserve care that is pure, safe, and free from harsh chemicals. The good news is that you don't need expensive serums or treatments to get the lashes of your dreams. With just a few simple ingredients, some patience, and a little daily care, you can see a noticeable difference in length, volume, and strength. Recipe 1. Pure castor oil lash serum. Castor oil is a miracle ingredient for lash growth. It is packed with fatty acids that strengthen each lash, reduce breakage, and promote healthy new growth. Take a clean mascara wand, dip it lightly into the oil, and carefully apply it along the lash line before bed. Make sure to coat the roots gently, as that's where the magic happens. Leave it on overnight so the lashes can absorb all the nutrients, and wash your face lightly in the morning. With daily use, castor oil can give you thicker, stronger lashes that naturally curve and frame your eyes beautifully. Recipe 2. Coconut oil and vitamin E, lash boost. Coconut oil is excellent for moisturizing lashes and preventing dryness, while vitamin E oil repairs and strengthens the hair follicles. Mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with a few drops of vitamin E oil, then apply it along your lash line each night before sleep. For added benefit, gently massage the lash line with your fingertip for 1 to 2 minutes. This stimulates blood flow, encourages growth, and helps your lashes receive maximum nourishment. Over a few weeks, you will notice your lashes becoming fuller, smoother, and less prone to falling out. Recipe 3. Aloe vera and castor oil hydration serum. Aloe vera gel is packed with nutrients and soothing properties, making it ideal for delicate lashes. When combined with castor oil, it creates a powerful, natural serum that strengthens, hydrates, and promotes growth. Mix equal parts aloe vera gel and castor oil, then apply gently to your lash line with a clean brush before sleeping. Aloe vera helps prevent dryness and keeps lashes soft, while castor oil nourishes the roots and supports new lash growth. Doing this consistently over several weeks can transform weak, sparse lashes into thicker, healthier ones. Recipe 4. Green tea, lash toner. Green tea is full of antioxidants and polyphenols that support lash follicle health and prevent damage. Brew a small cup of green tea, let it cool completely, and apply it carefully along your lash line with a clean brush or cotton swab. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse lightly. You can repeat this 2 to 3 times a week. Green tea not only strengthens lashes but also soothes the skin around your eyes and protects hair follicles from damage caused by environmental stress. Over time, your lashes will appear healthier, shinier, and naturally more voluminous. Recipe 5. Olive oil and honey lash treatment. Olive oil nourishes and softens lashes, while honey strengthens and adds natural shine. Mix 1 teaspoon of olive oil with half a teaspoon of honey and apply carefully along your lashes using a clean brush or wand. Leave it on overnight and rinse gently in the morning. This treatment is excellent for preventing lash fall, keeping lashes soft, and giving them a natural glow. The combination of olive oil and honey provides both moisture and nutrients, which are essential for long-term lash health. With these DIY lash serums, you have full control over what goes on your lashes, and you can customize them according to your needs. These natural treatments are gentle, effective, and rewarding. Over a few weeks of consistent use, your lashes will transform into longer, stronger, and healthier lashes that make mascara almost unnecessary. Natural beauty starts with proper care, and your lashes deserve that love every single day. Protect. Your lashes are delicate, So protecting them is just as important as nourishing them. Think of them like soft feathers that need gentle care every day. Avoid using harsh makeup, especially waterproof mascara, since removing it can cause lashes to fall out. Always remove makeup gently using a soft cotton pad and oil-based remover. Skip lash extensions or falsies if you want your natural lashes to grow stronger, as glue and weight can weaken lash roots. Take care at night too. Avoid rubbing your eyes or sleeping face down. Use a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and keep lashes smooth. Make sure your lashes are always clean and free from dirt or residue. Protect them from the sun, dust, and pollution by wearing sunglasses outside. After swimming, rinse your eyes to wash off chlorine or salt water. Healthy lashes also depend on your diet and lifestyle. Eat protein-rich foods, drink enough water, sleep well, and manage stress. These small steps strengthen your lashes naturally. Be patient and gentle, and avoid habits like rubbing or pulling lashes. With consistent protection and care, your lashes will grow stronger, longer, and more beautiful naturally. Bonus: want faster and stronger lash growth? Brush your lashes daily with a clean spoolie to spread natural oils. Eat foods rich in protein, vitamins, and biotin. Massage your lash line gently every day to increase blood flow. Before bed, apply castor, almond, or vitamin E oil so lashes can absorb nutrients overnight. Take makeup-free days to let your lashes breathe, and sleep on silk pillowcases to prevent friction. These small daily habits make your lashes longer, thicker, and healthier without needing extensions. What to avoid? Avoid rubbing your eyes. It breaks lashes and weakens roots. Stay away from harsh makeup products like waterproof mascara or heavy glue, and always remove makeup gently. Don't pull out stray lashes or use falsies too often. They can cause permanent lash loss. Never sleep face down or on rough pillowcases. Use silk or satin instead. Don't skip nourishing oils or serums, as lashes need moisture to stay strong. Also, maintain a healthy diet, reduce stress, and sleep enough. Finally, be patient. Overdoing treatments won't make lashes grow faster. Gentle, consistent care will. Avoid these mistakes, protect your lashes daily, and you'll enjoy naturally long, full, and fluttery lashes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.